Keyboard shortcuts is one of the coolest things that you can do because it's so easy. You really just need a Post-it note. Stick the Post-it note on your computer and have a keyboard shortcut of the week. Except for this workshop, we're going to do a keyboard shortcut of the day. So don't stress yourself out, though, trying to learn one every single day. But you are going to get one Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Have the weekend off. And we'll repeat and do this for 6 weeks. Now, you can just do a Google search for keyboard shortcuts, and you totally should. And then don't look. Okay, just one. You're just going to pick one. Learn one keyboard shortcut at a time. So then you're going to put it on your Post-it note and put it on your computer. Focus on that. Get it down solid where you're Control W, closing the tab. But what's the teaching application? That's what we're doing in this workshop. I'm going to do my best to explain to you why, as a teacher, Control W saves you time, and it's one worth learning.